Hey folks, it's Russ. Today is Sunday, May 3rd, 2026. I hope you're having a great day. I'm on my way to the soap shop to do a few things for tomorrow because Tina and I are not going to be there. So I just wanted to hop on here, shoot a quick silver update video. Currently, silver is at $76.10 an ounce. And I think that is, it's finally stabilizing itself. It's been between $70 and $80 now for the last couple of weeks, and I think that's where it's going to stay for a short time. I don't think it's going to be in this range very long. I think it's going to continue to go up. My prediction is that I don't think it's going to go back into the 60s. That's just my prediction. I'm not a silver expert or anything like that, but I think it's going to continue to go up because, we always talk about silver is in high demand right now with all the things that they use it for. Electric vehicles, the AI data centers being built, solar panels, the medical industry, water purification systems, the list goes on and on. And I think, obviously gold is like the creme de la creme of precious metals, right? But so silver often gets overlooked. And I think more and more people are waking up to the fact that our dollar bill is tanking. It's basically worth nothing because the feds continue to print more and more and more of it, and it's not backed by anything because we were taken off the gold standard in 1971 by Richard Nixon. And inflation's continuing to go up, right? I mean, we see it all the time. We have global uncertainty all over the world. And people are waking up and realizing that exchanging fiat currency for precious metals, especially silver and gold, is a hedge against inflation. It's protecting against your purchasing power. And it's real money. Silver and gold is God's money. It's been used for thousands of years. It's recognized all over the world. Anywhere in the world, if you take a gold and silver piece, people will recognize it because it was used as a currency long before our fiat currency was ever created. Okay? So people are waking up to the fact that, silver and gold are a good thing. And I just believe that it's great to have on hand in case, we just, like I said, global uncertainty. We don't know what's going to happen. What if the electrical grid goes out and you can't access your ATM to get money out, or, the bank's closed, or, we just don't know what's going to happen. We just don't know what's going to happen. So it's good to have, in my opinion, it's good to have silver on hand. Different, 1 ounce, fractional silver, silver bars, all of that. Because we can use that to barter with if something ever happens. And not only that, like I said, it protects against, it's a hedge against inflation, protects your purchasing power. In my opinion, it's just good to have on hand. It's going to continue to go up because we know when there's a finite supply of something and the demand for it increases, it's going to increase the value of it, right? So overall, I'm really happy with the 76.10 spot price right now. I don't really get into, I don't check it every single hour of the day. I don't worry about it. I just continuously stack silver. And what I work with a company called Quicksilver who allows me to set up an auto wealth delivery so that I can have silver sent to my doorstep every month on autopilot, and I don't even have to think about it. Okay? And then I am also a wealth ambassador, which means I can share this business with others and earn commissions when other people join and set up an auto wealth delivery or just purchase out of my precious metal store. So I really have been stacking precious metals for free for the last couple years now. And I love everything about the company. The owners are very transparent. They've been in business for a long time. We've seen recently how there's been several work from home businesses that have gone under, and a couple of them just this in the last week have gone under. So I really love this opportunity because it's not going anywhere. All right, precious metals are not going anywhere. This company is not going anywhere. And it's something that is very important to have in your investment portfolio. I'm not saying it has to be your entire investment portfolio, but it should be in there somewhere to hold on to physical silver and or gold. All right. So that's just, that's just my my thoughts on it. Again, I'm not a silver expert or precious metals expert or anything like that. Just my opinion. But I like knowing that I have physical silver on hand in case I ever need it. And it's more like a long-term, you know, accumulation that I'm doing. I'm thinking of it long-term wealth, thinking that in, you know, our first grandchild is actually on the way in July. So I'm stacking this for him, and, you know, just knowing that in the future, silver is going to be worth way more than $76.10 an ounce, okay? And so that's what I'm doing. But if you want to get a free silver bar for checking out Quicksilver, I'll leave a link down below here, freesilverbar.com. Just go and check it out. Let me know if you have any questions. I'm here to help you. And, you know, that's why I love silver. It's a monetary metal and an industrial necessity. So go and check out the link down below. Check it out. Let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. I appreciate each and every one of you, and I'll see you soon. So until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you. Thanks for watching.